In front of me is Motorola Moto G04, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on Show Suggestion strip of your Gboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Now tap on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, after tapping on Text Correction, click on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to turn it on. So when I go back, as you can see, my suggestion strip is now on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!